Today we'll go back to Lima. Lima. Ay, we're so excited to go home. We missed our home. Okay, nagkalord na ba? Na-miss namin ang aming tahanan. Pero maganda dito sa Oxapampa. See? I know, todavía. Sorry. Sorry. I didn't understand. You know, I'm still having difficulty. We'll go back to Lima today. Named Gloria yesterday. Diba? Pero, nakumi siya dito. Wala na nabantayan ni Manuel. Alam niyo ba na ano kami? Somebody hit us. Kumi siya, nakumi. When we were on our way to Puzuzo, and we were on the stop red light, tingala na lang kami. Okay, boom! Gumanon ba yung sasakyan? Boom! The car at the back hit us. Hindi yan nakita ni Manuel. Oh, nakumi. Sakyanan. Pero konti lang naman. Kumi siya. Tapos may konting gas-gas. Pero hindi na inano ni Manuel. Manuel didn't ask the person to pay. Manuel didn't say, pay us, blah blah blah. She just said, okay, just be careful next time. Diba? Nakabuutan akong bana, guys. Nasobrahan sa kabuutan. Nasobrahan sa kabuutan si Manolo. Doon ka kong bana. Hiwi man good siya, Jiwi. Hiwi siya eh. Mahadlok ko ba sa mahadlok siya eh. Mahulog siya. Unsa ba? Unsa ba talaga? Hindi na ako na-clean iyang kuan. Gabi ang suka ni Nashi. Nag-work kasi si Manuel. Manuel is working. That's why I'm the one who's bringing all the bags down. Sige na. I still need to bring that. And this. On our way to Lima. The time 9:45. We are in San Pedro de Cajas. It's very dark. Kautot. Sorry. Excuse me. Mr. Moon went away, my love. It's very dark. Yeah, this is another way actually. The kids are sleeping. Yeah, sorry, you cannot see them.
Dahil with seatbelt?
It's very dark. No, she's laying down. 9:46. We can make it. We can make it. Look, 4 hours and 56 minutes to Lima.
56? It was not 28?
No. 4 hours 56 minutes to Lima. Let's go. We're driving very not slowly but very carefully. Right, Senor Chofer?
Of course. I always drive carefully.
Look, as you can see, guys, it's very dark, and you can't see anybody here.
Ay, the hell, si puta help me right now.
Oh yeah. Where are the
Well,
others?
I should not talk too much. If I talk too much, it will my cough come back.
Very dark here. We are on top of the mountain, 4,100 meters above sea level. On top of the mountain, but you cannot see anything because it's dark. But at least it's not, I don't feel too scared because the road is not like a cliff. I can see a cliff because we are on top of the mountain, Daddy.
Yeah, there's no cliff here.
Yes. But we need to be careful because I feel like it's foggy.
Yeah.
Look.
But the window is open? The rooftop?
Yeah, the rooftop is open.
Okay.
I'll open a little the window also, okay? A little window because I can see fogs already in our...
Yeah, that's why I was out.
Oh, it's foggy. Yeah. But not so because I can still see the light there.
Affected also.
Mm.
Look. Manama.
Ah. Yeah. Yeah, it is an accident.
Ah, look at the car.
Oh my gosh.
They are blessed to be alive. That's why they're main man. You won't drive here. That's why.
Another accident. Inoko. That's why we need to be very careful. Another accident.
We are assuming that it's another accident.
It says here in the
Yeah.
one.
So we just can say meow 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 meow.
Oh my gosh, so long the traffic.
Huh? Ay, it's another second affected also. Look. Manama.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, it is an accident.
Ah, look at the car.
Oh my gosh.
They are blessed to be alive. That's why they're main man. You won't drive here. That's why.
We just went down from Ticlio. Ticlio is 4,800 meters above sea level. And we... Daras at the back. It's 1 degrees outside. We are in 4,200 meters above sea level right now. So cold. Tugnaw siya. Tapos medyo lisod siya ginhawa. 4,200 meters above sea level. Nasa Dara sa likod, matulog. Nashira. Manuel is here. Okay. Tulog sa si Manuel because we are still like almost 4 hours away from Lima. So we needed to rest for a while. so that he could drive properly and safely. I'm so happy that we survived. Grabe. The Ticlio is so... It's not too dangerous, but if the driver is sleepy, it's very dangerous. And Manuel was very sleepy. 12 midnight. We passed the Ticlio. He couldn't see the road. My gosh, it's dangerous. So we decided to stop by, and then we'll just rest for like 2 to 3 hours and drive to Lima. Time check 19.